Okay, here we are, Pure Mechanics, Year 2, Edexcel, Chapter 1, Algebraic Methods, Question 18. X squared plus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to p plus q over x plus r over x minus 2. Find p, q, and r, 5 marks. Okay, let's get this right-hand side all over common denominators. So, the p would need to be multiplied by x and x minus 2. The q is missing the x minus 2 part, and the r is missing an x. Okay, and that is all. And all of that should be equal to x squared plus 1. Strictly speaking, I should write it all out with the denominator all in there, but it's not worth it for my time here, so we'll just put it in like that. Okay, so let's go choose some values for x. Let's go with x equals 0 to begin with. So as we do that, 0 squared plus 1 is equal to p times 0, so that one's a 0, plus q times minus 2, because the x becomes a 0, plus r 0. Okay, so 1 equals minus 2q minus a half equals q. All right, there's one of them found. Let's go with x equals 2. Okay, so with x equals 2, we end up with 2 squared plus 1 equals p times 2 times 2 minus 2, which of course is 0. Okay, plus q times 0, because 2 minus 2, plus r, or 2r. So 4, 5 equals 0 plus 0 plus 2r. Okay, so 5 over 2 equals r. There we are. And now finally let's look at something else. X equals, let's go with x equals 1, just because it's easy to work out. You can choose absolutely anything you like for any of these, but by choosing them carefully with the 2 or the 0, we end up losing, not losing, but not, different terms get cancelled out, so they become, so we don't have to work out the simultaneous equations. Right, so 1 squared plus 1 equals p times 1 minus 2 plus q 1 minus 2 plus r. Okay, so this is 2 is equal to, what's that? That's minus 1 minus p. That's also minus q plus r. We know the values of q and r. Q is a half, so we can put that in. Q is a half. Was it minus or positive? Minus. So it's minus minus a half, making it a positive half. Okay, the r is equal to 5 over 2, and we still got minus p is equal to the 2. So let's bring that over there. Let's say p is equal to, what do we have here? 5 over 2. 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which of course is 3, yet 2, and then we're going to take away 2 on it, leaving us p is equal to 1. So there's our 3 solutions. Q at minus a half, r at 5 over 2, p equals 1.